Hard work so far will be successful. Don't be careless and work hard every day. But know that your wish comes true first.
Whoa! Seeing the symbols, the written symbols on this side, but when you turn around, you can see them on the way down.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I want to get this thing out and eat it, but it's pretty big, eh? I think it's going to fall off the stick if I do. Alright guys, we're now in Kyoto. We're just following the tour guide. She's got the flag over there. Better hurry up because kind of falling a bit behind, but we're supposed to stay close. She's going to take us through some places. I'm going to have a look. Yeah, we've got to follow the lady with the flag. Just made it to the railway station. It's a cool little street here. Yeah, it's a bit busier down here. So it's a little bit of a trek from the bus, but it's okay. We've only been walking about 5 minutes. I'm going to stay close to the flag so we don't get lost. I think there's a lot of places to get street food here as well. So she mentioned that we had 90 minutes here. At the last place I think we had an hour. So a bit longer. Might get something on the way back. There's heaps of stuff on the side of the road. Yeah, that's for sure one of the best things here in Osaka is the food. Like, honestly, even from the 7-Eleven, the sandwiches are so good. I got a chicken schnitzel sandwich on the way over here. It's like crust cut off and everything. Yeah, we'll keep making our way through because we've got to keep up with this cheap. Yeah, don't want to lose my bill. So what we're doing is making our way up to like a temple slash shrine, I'm pretty sure. And just gonna have a quick look up there. Yeah, so our tour guide was actually explaining stuff to us on the bus on the way over here. I couldn't remember a lot of it, to be honest with you, but she did say this place was like over 1,300 years old. So that's, yeah, it has a lot of history here in Japan, which is, it's pretty cool, pretty interesting. It'll be good to get inside though, have a look, and I think we can do a prayer and stuff in there as well. But this looks like the street food section here. There's a lot of people, it's pretty dense. I'll turn you guys around for a second. Yeah, awesome. Fried noodles. Get that authentic Japanese style. Crab and fish sticks. I think they said the tour guide recommended the crab sticks are pretty good, I think. Fried crab sticks. And most of the street food's like super healthy, yeah. That's what I like about this place. What's that one? Oh, okay. Cool. Yeah, here we go, guys. Look at this. Look at the view. Okay. Gotta go over here and wash our hands. And then I think she said we have to like touch our lips with the water. It's like some ritual they do. You touch your lips? Awesome. We're just swarming the place. Yeah, this looks really cool, guys. I think they got a little show going on. There's the map. Get around. Pretty big, this place. I've got to switch arms, guys. What's going on here? I have no idea what this is yet. Shaking some box.
Shake the omiji first. Please sell the number yourself.
Let's keep an eye on the flag, we won't get lost. Oh. Very cool.
Of the thousands pretty wet gate, okay. So, ready your phone? Let's go, okay. Please go inside. Okay, please go inside.
Well, what's it called?
Torii.
Torii Gaes? Cool. You guys hear that? So this must loop around. We've got a little sign here saying please go the right way. So there's two different ways to go. Whoa! Like a little tunnel. Whew. So cold. This is awesome. Look through here. Alright guys, it looks like we're finally coming out the other side. It's a bit of a trek, everyone's sort of huffing and puffing. That's the way down, that's the second way down. And it just looks like there's a lot of Little food stalls up here again. Souvenir shops and stuff. Should we wait for our guide or? I'm not sure. Right? I feel like it's pretty easy to get lost up here. That's where you do prayers and stuff, guys. Oh, it says no photography, so. Film? Yeah, film. So up here, you need to have like 5 cent. 5 cent. Yeah, it's 5 cent pieces, right? Pretty sure these ones here, the circle ones, and you have to like donate one, and then you make a prayer. So we're gonna try and find 2 5 cent pieces, and do a little prayer before we leave.
The lucky charms, do the paper fortune, and go around in the shrine. Okay, please stop here. Okay, don't go that way. Okay, don't go that way. And you don't want to take pictures, buy them food, or go back to the parking lot. This way. Okay, this way. Just return the same way. Okay, return the same way. Okay, now it's free time. Okay, now it's free time. And you want to take pictures? I'm waiting here. Okay, I'm waiting here.
Sounds good. So if you're curious why 5 cents is it's because 5 is I think the lucky number, but yeah, just correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure 5 is the lucky number. And these over here I'm pretty sure are good luck charms, or like kind of like pasalobong you can buy for someone, presents. Marville, what are you getting? Are you getting one of the charms?
Yeah.
Are these charms here? These ones? Or is it the ones over there?
That one, same.
That one as well, same, okay.
So this one is good fortune.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a couple of these. Yeah, I'm gonna
Academic success, shopping safety, travel safety.
Ooh, definitely like that.
Oh, this one is new.
Yeah, so you can buy these while you're up here, guys. Little souvenirs or gifts. Like I was saying before, pasalobong in Philippines, it's like a gift.
This one.
Oh yeah. Oh, ward off evils. That's a good one. Yeah. Okay. It's another prayer spot, guys. Bit of a lion. Yeah, so it's 5. Is it 5 cents or 5? Oh no, sorry, 5 yen. I've been saying dollars and cents and stuff. 5 yen. That's so 5 is a lucky number. This is another press spot. We'll keep moving forward. Come around. Go. I just want to cover this spot quick and then grab some food before we leave, guys. We're going to head down, get some food, like I was saying. Oh, check out this little thing. This is cool. Yeah, we'll head down, get some food, a couple photos. Want to try the fried crab sticks, they look really good. I'm a little curious of what these say. Hey, this one's sort of in English, but the rest of them are like little engravings all over the place. If you can read Japanese, you should let me know what this says. Yeah, I was just saying that you can't see any of the symbols, the written symbols on this side, but when you turn around you can see them on the way down.
Oh, yes.
I thought that was a little cool thing to notice while we're here. Excuse me, can I have a picture? Can you hold?
Huh?
Picture?
No, he wants picture with you.
Oh, okay.
Because he's wearing kimono. Is that okay? It's okay.
Okay.
Hi. Okay.
I was just laughing before because like it's always a peace sign. It's always a peace sign every photo. Alright. It's another press spot here. Oh, what's in there? Goodbye, horse. Oh, what's this over here again? Yeah, this is something to do with you buy something over here, paper. I think you write, and you get good or bad luck.
Yeah,
and
shake
I
up the
think
Ouija first.
yeah, you have to shake it. That's what they were doing before, I think. And so if you get good luck, you hang it up and leave it there. Oh no, you take it with you. If you get bad luck, you gotta burn it. You burn it, yeah. So they write something on there.
And look at here, look at here.
Come over here, that's what they do. I think that's what we saw when we first came in. Alright, so I get this one now, alright? You pay, sorry, you don't pay. You shake it up, you get a number over here, and you go over there, and it tells you whether you have good fortune or bad fortune. You can either hang it up there, you can burn it, or take it with you. And my Vil got good fortune, huh? Let's have a look at hers. What's it say? Number 10?
Yeah, great fortune at the end of one's life.
Yeah.
That days of hard work so far will be successful. Don't be careless and work hard every day. But know that your wish comes true first.
Whoa. Bit of wisdom, huh? Alright. Crab sticks. Let's go. Alright, this looks like the line for the crab sticks. We don't have very long, got about 20 minutes, so yeah, here we are. Got about 20 minutes, so hurry up. Hopefully. Gotta get down there and yeah, use the bathroom before we leave. So I think we have like another hour or so in the car, on the bus. Looks like we have some options for sauce and some sort of powders as well. Looks like spices. I think I'm just gonna have it like raw though. Not raw, but just cooked. I'm not gonna worry about spices. Good. Sauce, no, it's alright, thank you. Cheers. That's it, guys. All done. Look at that. Yeah, I'm gonna go without the sauce and spice, not even gonna worry. Yeah, I want to get this thing out and eat it, but it's pretty big, eh? I think it's gonna fall off the stick if I do. Right, we'll have a quick nibble before we get on the bus. It's pretty big, this thing. I had to like that's one half, right? And the other half's in there. Marville, what'd you get? What's that? Cheese.
It's like a cheese.
It's like a cheese pastry or something.
Pastry,
Hey?
yeah.
Look at it, it's got like a little texture imprint on it.
It's very soft.
Japanese something on the side.
Yeah.
The bread.
It's nice.
Filipinos and cheese, eh? Really good though. Really good. Guys, just before we leave to the next destination, check this out. Seen a few of these on the way, like little cemeteries. Pretty different to the way we do it back home. A lot smaller. A lot more space efficient. Which makes sense though.
Okay, here's the kimono forest. Okay, here's the kimono forest. The kimono forest now is a good photo spot for free in the Arashiyama station.